Hello friends, once again welcome to the videos on Indian polity. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the features of the Charter Act of 1833. As previously we have discussed that the British Parliament or the British government, they started making the laws, the rules, the acts in order to control the activities of British East India Company and its political establishment of power in India. However, in order to control the reins of the British East India Company, another important Charter Act of 1833, it was passed by the British Parliament with the intention to take the entire administration of East India Company under the command and the control of the British government. In this series, this was the final step towards the centralization of British power in India. This was the final step towards the centralization of the British power in India. Now, what were the features? What were the basic features of this act? Previously, when the regulating act it was framed in the year 1773, wherein the governor of Bengal was made as the Governor General of Bengal. Now through this act, that is the 1833 act, it made the very important step that has taken place as a feature of this act, that it made the Governor General of Bengal as the Governor General of India. Now in previous video we have discussed that the other two governors, that is the Bombay and the Madras province, they were made subordinate to the Governor General of Bengal. And as a matter of fact, Warren Hastings, he was made as the first Governor General of Bengal. But as per the features of this act, the Governor General of Bengal became the Governor General of India. That means again the administrative powers of the Governor General of Bengal, it was elevated to the post of the Governor General of India. And through this act, thus William Bentinck, he became the first Governor General of India. I hope the concept is very clear to you. And for the first time, the provinces or the areas, especially the territorial areas which were possessed by the British East India Company, it came under the direct control of British government. And Lord William Bentinck, he was made as the first Governor General of India. Now when he was given all the powers, territorial powers, when he was elevated to the post of the Governor General of India, it was but natural, it is natural that all the provinces, that is Bombay and Madras, they will become again subordinate to the Governor General of India. Even the governors of Bombay and Madras, they were deprived of their legislative powers. That means they were not allowed to make the laws even for their provinces. And he was given the exclusive legislative powers. So William Bentinck, when he became the Governor General of India, he was given the exclusive legislative powers. And that is why the previous acts which were called as regulations, and now this was the basic act. Now what were the features? Now through this act, the affairs of the East India Company, it ended the activities of the East India Company as a commercial body. That means earlier the East India Company, they were recognized as the commercial body which became a purely administrative body. But now here their job, their powers, it curtailed, it had a very limited powers. And all these powers hereafter would be enjoyed by the British government, His Majesty, that is the Queen or the heirs and the successors. So this was the basic feature of the Charter Act of 1883. Now, the basic features, several times the question comes in the examination. What were the basic features of the 1833 Charter Act? Under which Charter Act the Governor General of Bengal became the Governor General of India, and what were the powers attributed to him? So these were the powers which were attributed to the Governor General of India, and apart from that, the major event that had taken place, that the Indians were allowed to appear for the civil services examination. They could be selected, they could be appointed as the civil servants in the company, but however, the provisions, though the provision was made, but again when it matter went to the court of directors, they declined it, they made it null and void. Thus again the Indians were deprived of their participation in the civil services and to become the civil servants under the British East India Company. So these were the basic provisions, four basic provisions. You are likely to get the questions from this topic. What were the basic features of the 1883 Charter Act, 1833 Charter Act. Sorry, it should be the Charter Act of 1833. So the features you need to remember. You are likely to get the questions on it. So please revise it. All the salient points, the major points are given here in these two slides so that you can revise it. The content you can revise it, memorize it, learn it and present it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks.